Hey guys, look what I found. I finally got one of these in to play with. One of the new receivers, the RTM1. I'm going to show you how to program one of these today. There's been some confusion about these, a lot of questions about it. So I'm going to pull the camera in because this thing doesn't make a whole lot of noise when it's in the program mode. So in order for you guys to hear it, you might have to crank up the volume on whatever you're listening on, your phone, your tablet, or your computer a little bit. But let me pull this in a little bit and we'll get to it. Alright guys, here we are. Pulled this in a little bit for you. You take a look on here. We're going to forget about this top half. This is for a whole different purpose right here, so we're not going to use any of that. You're going to come down here where you see the picture of the receiver with the magnet next to it, and that's how we're going to program this here. Just listen carefully to the beeps. When you put the magnet first on there, it's going to make one beep. It's going to take a second, then it's going to make two more beeps. One will be a little lower than the other one. And if I keep the magnet on there, it's going to go into tick-tock mode, which I'm going to do. I'll go through the whole thing, just in case this thing's been programmed somewhere else and you want to erase the memory on it. So just pay attention to the beeps. That's going to be the key to this whole thing. So I'm going to take the magnet, put it right here. One beep. There's the other two. I'm going to hold it, and it'll go into tick-tock mode in a minute. All right, now you can hear it beeping. It's in tick-tock mode, so it just erased all the memory in there, so you don't have to worry about cross-firing or anything like that. So what I'm going to do now, just take the magnet, put it back on. It's going to beep once, and then two more times. One's going to be a little lower than the other one. The second beep will be a little bit lower. There's one. There's your two beeps. I'm using a wireless controller. I'm going to hit the A button. It's going to beep back. That tells you it took the programming. I'm going to hit the A button now. If you listen carefully, you can hear the little relay in here clicking. Once you hear that, you know it took the programming and everything's working. It's ready to go. Just keep in mind, if you're doing this on a station with a Claymate box on it, you do need to put a card in, otherwise it won't take the programming. That station won't put a signal out without a card in it. Okay, this one here put a signal out every time, so you don't have to worry about it if you're using wireless, but just keep that in mind. I've seen a lot of people do that. We'll go through this one more time. You hear the one beep, then the two, and then I'm going to program it this time. I'm not going to go into tick-tock mode again. There's one. There's your two. I'll hit the B button this time. It beeps back. Now when I hit the B button, you hear the relay inside click, then you know it took it. There's the click. There it is again. And there it is again. And that's really all there is to it. Keep in mind also, you might want to get one of the better magnets that you can buy in the store. I've seen people use all kinds of stuff, but there's a little reed switch behind here, and sometimes you need a stronger magnet to actually activate it. So that's about it. That's it for now, guys, and we'll see you next time.